Hi everybody, Joe Napoli here with Gammalux Lighting Systems to demonstrate the new 3D series sample case. The sample case is a traditional bag you'll get from Gammalux, has a complete listing of the products that are inside in the clear window of the case. The first product to show as part of this case is a bidirectional unit called the GX3D24B2. The nomenclature, of course, is GX, starts with GX, Gammalux, and then 3D, naming the 3D series of fixtures, typified by the three-dimensional lens that you see here on the top and the bottom of the fixture. So GX 3D, then we have 24, which is nominal 2 inches wide, nominal 4-inch height, so 24. B, meaning bidirectional, and then 2, indicating it's a housing that receives a second generation of snap-in style shielding. So GX3D 24B2. Now this particular fixture here, we have a dimming knob in it. This makes it nice for demonstration in either a very dark room or a room where maybe this is the only fixture that you're showing. Certainly if it's on at full bright, it could be quite uncomfortable to look at. So we give you the dimming knob to make things easy for you. Nice feature about this product is that we have symmetrical distribution in both the top and the bottom. And actually, because we have no cable on this, you can't tell what's the top or what's the bottom. And of course, a big benefit here with symmetrical distribution is you could use these fixtures as a wall sconce. Very nice way of adding a distinctive look into a space while without any of the inconsistency that you might have in the upper or lower components. Now, certainly we can custom program the drivers, upper and lower, to give you whatever amount of light you want in whatever distribution percentages you'd like. But as the standard for this fixture, we do provide it with symmetrical distribution. So, of course, it is a suspended fixture with a vertical orientation, but again, can be wall mounted either horizontally or vertically. And that's the GX3D24B2. The next item to show you is something new from us. It's a remote battery. Now, certainly we can driver, pardon me. We can put drivers inside all of our fixtures, as we often do. That's pretty much our standard. But here what we're doing is we're showing our capability to deal with remote drivers. It's very simple. You've got a perforated box here. Just plug it in to your wall, and then you've got a low voltage cable that comes out one end, and you'll plug it into one of the two fixtures that's fitted with the receptacle to receive that wire. The first fixture I'm going to show you with the remote driver setup, and again, our standard is to put drivers inside the fixtures. We really just did this to save a little bit of cost and make things a little bit lighter for you, as well as reduce the cables that you have to have around a conference room table. I know from personal experience that can be quite a challenge dealing with all those power cords. But this fixture here, this is the GX3D13D2. 13 meaning nominal 1 inch by nominal 3 inch, and D meaning direct. Now this fixture could be built also as an indirect illumination fixture where you're just going to have the cables coming out the top. Now a new feature that we're showing with this model here is what we're calling the end glow feature. Traditionally, what we've done is taken our end caps and brought them all the way down to the bottom of the lens area with our three-dimensional lens options. But what we're doing now with the 3D series is we're also offering you an end glow feature where the end cap stops at the bottom of the fixture housing, and then we allow the lens material, we bend it upward so that we're using the same material throughout the entire lens, rather than what some of our competitors do, where they kind of glue a separate, like maybe a cast acrylic onto the end, and who knows how long the glue will last, or until that thing starts to maybe peel away or crack off. And certainly when you're dealing with extruded materials and cast materials, you're going to have some inconsistency in how they look. So because this is all extruded and we just form the lens to this vertical position here at the end, we have consistency in the look of our edge glow lens. So again, offering our 3D series fixtures now with either a flush end cap or what we call the end glow detail. All right, and that's your GX3D13D2. The last fixture I'll show you is actually the very same one. It's a 13, if you will, but rather than being a 13D2, it is a 13RC2. And all we've done here is we've taken the same fixture and just added a ceiling flange onto it. And as you should know by now, we can interface with basically any ceiling system. So we just happen to be showing the cover flange condition for this particular fixture, but we also have mud flange and we have no flange for your wood ceilings or your metal ceilings. We also offer a multiple variety of other flanges for varying ceiling conditions. We are not a one-size-fits-only organization, and we do not want beat to fit out in the field. So getting us the correct ceiling information will allow us to build the fixtures properly the first time. So this is your Gammalux 3D series sample kit. Feel free to reach out with any questions. Thanks.